and welcome back to Laser and Dudes channel. Today I was like super stoked because I got the R1 Pro in today. I've been waiting for this thing for a couple of weeks now. And I'm so excited to try this out. Of course, it comes with the instructions, the manuals. Oh, comes with the towers. Leveling and measuring tape. Looks like the parts for the chuck. Mini roller. Of course, all the tools and wiring. Another part of the roller. Another measuring tool. The chuck itself, that's pretty heavy. And the roller. That's about it for the box. So let me get all this set up. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's just like hooking up the old R3 roller. So without further ado, let me get this set up and I'll show you what I did.